Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show label names in Trello. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Trello and go to the board where I want to show label names. Here we can already see that I use 3 labels and that these can be found in different cards, but I can't see at first glance what the labels mean. I don't always want to click into the cards to see what they mean. To display the label names, I just have to click on the labels, and now the labels are expanded. As an alternative to clicking, I can also use the shortcut Shift and colon. And that's all you need to know if you want to show label names in Trello. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.